For the purpose of designing, producing, and supplying different types of carbon, polymer, and mineral filters to be used in household and semi-industrial water treatment plants based on international quality and standards, Gowarab Dasht Sabz Company was founded in 2012 on a land with the area of 15,000 square meters and a floor area of more than 7,000 square meters. Producing more than 7 million types of water treatment filters, Gowarab Company is the only knowledge-based company with local technology to produce this type of filters. Gowarab products are supplied to the national and international markets with brands such as Rudi, Qanat, and Deram. Gowarab has successfully obtained different types of national and international valid standards and certificates using high-quality raw materials and holding food and technology rank of the world to produce fiber and vegetable filters under the supervision of experts in quality control and R&D. In our Gowarab laboratory, we feel obliged to comply with national and international standards, and all raw materials and final products are investigated by quality control experts in order to provide the consumer with a high quality and healthy product. Among other products of Gowarab, we can refer to anti-nitrate filter, semi-industrial filters, and special products of antibacterial filters. Gowarab Company of Water Treatment Filters.